top of the day, good people. You see where we at. Yep, one of them days. Truck tripping. Gotta get some repairs done. Get a pickup from the U-Haul, and we are going to visit R&D renovations and do some demo work and load the trailer, guys. So it's gonna be a good day. As I always say, we work with our contractors. We are working alongside of these guys, demoing the bathroom and the room next to it. Take the doors. Filling up good. Yeah, renovation, baby. Toilets. It's been one of them days, man. So we arrived late. You know, the rear end in my damn pickup is acting stupid, so I had to get that to the shop. We had to rent a U-Haul, and we on the ball, man. You know, we made it. Better late than never. Never late is better. Let's go. Better go ahead, let it get knocked on down, then clean it up. Yeah, the rest of the way. All right, guys, so the load is coming along, man. Almost got a half trailer, and these mattresses are gonna go with this too. Mattress and box spring. This is how the trailer's looking so far. Ooh, dusty. I'm gonna say because you can't shut this door right here, so take it easy. Need to go get that. Need to get some food and a drink for real. I'm hungry now. So Jeff, part of the squad right there. You can see. No more water. No more tub. It's wide. I like that shirt. You had that on deck, man. That's nice.
Just how you do this, bro.
Yeah.
If you ain't got a t-shirt, you can do that with it. I don't know. What's your thing on this?
Huh? Sweet, what up?
We gotta stop.
What? Cleaned up, guys. You see what we got? Lord. So it's been a day, man. Once again, we did what we do. We go to the trailer. That's how we looking. Oh yeah, like stuff like this. Bag super light.
I'm staying alive, I'm killing the journey, feel something brewing inside of me.
Yeah, there you got that little bunch of steel in there. I grabbed that. Not really nothing.
You don't know the whole story, what I had to do and everybody doubted me. Yeah, I learned to stay strong. Concrete in the dirt I was raised on. Know how to put in work. Grinding all day, you know it's game on. My skin is thick, yeah, it's tough. Running, yeah, we stay alive. Ain't gotta look nowhere else. All of this greatness inside. Don't think you're ready for this part.
They got the craft.
This is our moment, here we are. How could you be a star if you don't shine and you afraid of the dark? Say you wanna be a big fish, but you can't swim with the sharks. Yeah, ain't phased, don't change, still the same when the camera's off. Look smooth, but I'm going hard. Play it cool, but I'm going off. If you want it, gotta take it from me. I can show you who the best is. All stats, no questions. You listen, check on the checklist. I think you're ready for this part. This is our moment, here we
Trailer type stuff.
Like something smoother.